We do some advisory and transactional stuff here and there, just because we litigate so much that clients then come to us and say, hey, okay, that was nice, but let's make sure that this doesn't happen again, right?
Yeah, I'm sure it's quite different being on both sides.
Yeah, it
right?
is, but it brings so much perspective, right? And sometimes it's nice to have that perspective and just be kind of the voice of reason in the room.
What I don't think a lot of people know about is something that goes left. There's specific steps that you have to take, right?
Exactly.
And you can totally throw the whole thing under the water if you take the wrong steps.
Exactly. So when you're looking for lawyers for a construction case, it sounds redundant, but the first thing you should do is make sure they're a construction lawyer.
Yeah.
You're like, oh, you're a lawyer? And what kind of law do you practice? Construction law. And they're like, what is that? Right? Like everybody's like, that's not sexy. It's, you know, like what is that?
The handshake agreement?
Exactly.
Which is never good.
You know, I don't know if it's like a Texas thing or maybe it's just like a thing in the South, but people pride themselves on not needing contracts. Oh, I've never had to deal with this and that. You know, we just shake hands and that's always been good enough. And I'm like, all right.
It's always good enough until it's not.
Exactly.
Right?